To the Louisiana Board of Regents today, don't raise tuition.
We need to see zero or minimal increases in tuition this year.
The board allocated state funding to universities today. They divvied up around $483 million, which is $8.1 million less than last year. LSU's president has not made a decision on increasing tuition.
Tomorrow, Governor Edwards will make a stop in Shreveport. He's carved out some time to check out the progress of the Medicaid expansion, which will go into effect this Friday. KSLA News 12's Troy Washington spoke with leaders at David Raines Community Health Center, where he'll visit about the anticipation of the governor's arrival.
We've been getting ready ever since we got the call that he would be coming to our facilities.
David Raines CEO Willie White says when the governor's office came calling, his office obliged.
We anticipate that we will have several patients who will talk about the benefits of now having access to health care coverage through Medicaid.
David Raines Community Health Center offers a variety of services, all of which Governor John Bel Edwards will take full advantage of while looking into their process with the Medicaid expansion here in Shreveport.
Last numbers that I looked at, there were about 217,000 in the state that has enrolled of the 350,000 that were estimated to be eligible for Medicaid services.
Back in January, Governor Edwards signed the executive law into order, changing the previous standards of Medicaid, opening coverage to men and women ages 19 to 64 who meet qualifications.
We don't want people using the emergency rooms for care. We want them to come in and find out if they have high blood pressure before they have the heart attack.
Since Governor Edwards appears to be following through after putting the pen to the paper and making the expansion possible, White believes Thursday's stop at David Raines Community Health Centers may be the first, but it certainly won't be the last. In Shreveport, Troy Washington, KSLA News 12.
And tomorrow's visit to David Raines is a public event, so they expect a large crowd. We are told the governor will arrive around 2 in the afternoon. The governor is also scheduled to tour University Health. Be sure to watch KSLA News 12 tomorrow evening for full coverage of the governor's visit.